Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bike helmets available on the market for their quality, features, and performance. Whether you're a casual rider or a serious cyclist, we've got something for everyone. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's dive right in. Starting off at number 5, we have the Guduk bike helmet for men and women. This is a budget-friendly option priced at just $21.88, but it doesn't skimp on safety. The helmet features a one-piece molding design with a high-density EPS buffer layer and a polycarbonate outer shell. This combination provides excellent shock absorption and high impact resistance, meeting US CPSC and ASTM safety standards. The Guduk helmet is lightweight and has a 22-hole ventilation system to keep you cool during rides. The detachable visor is a thoughtful addition, helping to reduce glare and improve visibility in sunny conditions. Adjustable straps and an easy-to-use dial system ensure a comfortable and secure fit for head circumferences ranging from 53 to 61 centimeters. While it's not packed with premium features, this helmet is perfect for urban commuting, mountain biking, and even skateboarding. However, the Guduk helmet does have some limitations. It lacks advanced features like MIPS technology for added protection against rotational impacts, and the materials, while sturdy, feel less premium compared to higher-tier options. Still, for under $22, it's an excellent choice for casual riders on a budget. If you want safety and comfort without breaking the bank, this helmet is worth considering. At number 4, we have the Retrospect Dakota bike helmet. This helmet is unique because it's designed for multi-sport use, making it a great option not just for cyclists, but also for skateboarders, BMX riders, and scooter enthusiasts. Priced at $26.99, it offers a solid balance between affordability and quality. The Dakota helmet features a fully formed ABS shell combined with shock-absorbing EPS foam, providing excellent impact protection. Its classic skate-style design is not only stylish but also functional, with 10 strategically placed vents to keep you cool. One standout feature is the dew collector interior padding, which wicks away sweat and prevents odor buildup, ensuring a comfortable ride even during long sessions. The adjustable straps and 2 sets of interchangeable pads allow you to customize the fit for maximum safety and comfort. That said, the Dakota helmet is bulkier compared to road cycling helmets, which might not appeal to riders looking for a sleeker profile. Additionally, it lacks a visor or LED lighting, which could be deal breakers for some. However, for those who want versatile protection across multiple activities, the Retrospect Dakota is a fantastic choice. Coming in at number 3 is the Schwinn Thrasher bike helmet. A longtime favorite in the cycling community, this helmet offers excellent value for its $29.99 price tag. Schwinn is a trusted brand, and the Thrasher lives up to its reputation with a lightweight design, a durable 2-microshell construction, and full-coverage EPS foam for reliable protection. One of the standout features is Schwinn's 360 degrees comfort system, which includes an adjustable dial fit knob, full-range padding, and adjustable side straps. This ensures a snug and comfortable fit for head circumferences between 58 to 62 centimeters. The detachable visor is a nice touch, reducing glare during sunny rides. It's also worth mentioning that the Thrasher complies with US CPSC safety standards, making it a safe choice for riders age 14 and older. While it's a fantastic helmet for casual and recreational cycling, the Thrasher doesn't include advanced features like LED lights or MIPS technology. The design is also a bit bulkier compared to high-end models. Nevertheless, for under $30, the Schwinn Thrasher is a reliable and affordable option for everyday riders. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Retrospect Lenin bike helmet. This helmet strikes an excellent balance between functionality and affordability at $39.99. Designed for both casual and serious cyclists, the Lenin features 15 air vents and inside air channels to keep your head cool during long rides. The removable visor and washable padding add to its practicality. What sets the Lenin apart is the built-in 5 LED safety light on the back, which enhances visibility during nighttime rides. The light offers 3 different modes and runs on a long-lasting battery. The Ergo Knob 2 dial fit system ensures a precise and comfortable fit, accommodating head sizes between 54 to 61 centimeters. The helmet also complies with US CPSC safety standards, giving you peace of mind on the road. The Lennon's only drawback is that it doesn't include advanced safety features like MIPS technology. However, for its price, it offers a fantastic combination of comfort, visibility, and style. If you're looking for a well-rounded helmet with extra safety features, the Retrospec Lennon is a great choice. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Smith Signal Cycling Helmet. At $85, this is the premium choice on our list, and it's packed with advanced features that make it worth the investment. Designed for road cyclists and commuters alike, the Signal helmet combines style, comfort, and cutting-edge safety technologies. The star of the show here is the MIPS, Multi-Directional Impact Protection System technology, which reduces rotational forces during angled impacts, providing an extra layer of protection. The helmet also features zonal choroid coverage, which enhances energy absorption while keeping the helmet lightweight and ventilated. With 21 fixed vents and an air-evac system, you'll stay cool on even the longest rides. The adjustable vapor fit system allows for a 270-degree fit adjustment, ensuring a snug and secure fit. The build quality is premium, with a modern, sporty design that looks great on the road. While it's the most expensive helmet on this list, its advanced safety features and premium build make it ideal for serious cyclists who prioritize protection and performance. If you want the best of the best, the Smith Signal is the helmet for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect bike helmet for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about these helmets, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.